everybody, my name is Holly Draper and I'm the creator of Shop Draped, and welcome to Draped's office. So behind here is where a lot of magic happens. If you guys caught video of when we moved into this spot, you probably saw me putting a whole bunch of fabric in the closet, and here it is. So a popular question that I get a lot is, where does your fabric come from? So a lot of our fabric is imported from West Africa. The majority of our fabrics that I see up top here are from Ghana, but we also get fabrics imported from Senegal, Mali, sometimes Togo, and that's the majority right there. We have pre-cut head wraps. This is where we keep them for the time being. You might also notice a lot of the artwork that we have on the wall. Pardon My Fro. It's one of my favorite places to find cute black inspired pieces. So shout out to you guys. All over the walls here. All right, over here we have a lot of our packaging products. If you guys have ever purchased from us before, you might be familiar with our bags. I actually made this myself. I'm super proud of how they turned out. But they're very distinct and a favorite by a lot of our customers. So here's just a few. Also, when it comes to packaging, we keep our postcards up here, and also fabric care. Answer emails. We conduct a lot of interviews. Just about anything computer related happens over here. And we also keep our sewing notions on the side as well. So you'll see like thread, you see the wire for our wire wraps. You also see the tools that we use to create wire wraps, and some of our other products. Here are some of our packaged jewelry down here at the bottom in the corner. You might see some pieces that you are familiar with from businesses that we love. So in the corner right here, we have an earring piece from Pele Designs. And in that corner, those pieces are made by Shanae Altovise. So this piece right here is from Nicole Colby. I believe this is actually the first black art piece I ever purchased. And I loved it because it really represented the person that I wanted to be. So shout out to Nicole Colby, and definitely check out her artwork. So let's move on to the corner over here. You guys may have seen this in some of our videos, but this is our heat press. And this is how we create all of our t-shirts. And we keep our vinyl over here in the corner. So your favorite tees, Wise Like Maya, Walking Like Naomi. My head wrap is my crown. It's all kept right here. So another common question I get is, who writes your t-shirts? And the answer to that is, I do. So for the Draped in Magic line, it kind of randomly came to me one day. I was looking in the mirror, and sometimes, as girls, we feel ourselves. So I just started saying, I'm poised like Coretta, wise like Maya. I'm like, this is kind of starting to come out like poetry. So I wrote everything down, and I shared it with my then boyfriend. And he said, you really have something here. This actually could be put on a t-shirt. So I started off with Poised Like Coretta, the Poised Like Coretta tees now. And I kind of wanted to see how everybody reacted to it, and it was a hit. When I vended the Poised Like Coretta tees, definitely sold out really quickly. And from then on, I started releasing a little more of the poem, and then you guys got like the Wise Like Maya, the Fearless Like Harriet, and things of that nature. So I'm so grateful for the success of our Draped in Magic collection. All right, moving forward. So this is my sewing machine area, and I have a Singer Fashion Mate that I am sewing with at this current moment. very inexpensive and a very great piece of machinery. That's all I've got to say. I have my elastic, my pins, and back over here I have my fabric cutter. Okay, so we're getting towards the end of the tour now. Right here I keep a lot of our t-shirts and things in I would say in size. So small, medium, large, extra large, 2X, 3X, and that's how I have it organized. I don't have it organized by color because we just don't have enough space for all that yet. But we're still growing on this wall. There's still a lot more things that need to be organized and placed over here. So if you guys, please don't judge me. Last but not least, this is where we keep our head wraps. So right now, as you can see, there's not a lot because we're getting ready to restock. But this is what we have sewn right now. And you might recognize some of these prints. Some of them you may not. Did I just say sneak peek? Anyway, down here we have our bag of scraps. And these are just waiting to be labeled and weighed. And up here, I just keep what we're in need of or what we need to go purchase. And that is about it, you guys. And that is a wrap of our office tour. Thank you guys so much for watching, supporting, and just being overall just awesome. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.